How to get cigarette smell out of furniture, detailed guide. Tired of feeling like you're sitting in an ashtray every time you lounge on your couch? Well, you're in luck because we've got the solution on how to get cigarette smell out of furniture. So, let's get to work. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! There are several methods you can use, but these are the most effective ones. Baking soda method. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sprinkle baking soda over the furniture. Make sure your furniture is clean and free of any debris. Then sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the affected area. Make sure to cover the entire affected surface of the furniture. Step 2. Leave the baking soda for 24 hours. Once you've sprinkled the baking soda over the furniture, let it sit for 24 hours. During this time, the baking soda will absorb the cigarette smoke smell. So, it's important to let it sit for the full 24 hours. Step 3. Vacuum up the baking soda. After 24 hours, use a vacuum cleaner to remove the baking soda from the furniture. Make sure to vacuum thoroughly so that you remove all of the baking soda. If there are any remaining clumps, use a clean cloth to gently remove them. Step 4. Repeat if necessary. If the cigarette smell is still present after doing the above steps, repeat the process. It may take a few cycles to completely remove the smell. Vinegar method. Step 1. Mix equal parts of water and white vinegar. Take a clean spray bottle and fill it with equal parts of water and white vinegar. You can adjust the amount depending on the size of the affected area. However, make sure to use equal parts of water and vinegar. Step 2. Gently rub the mixture into the furniture. Take a clean cloth and gently rub the vinegar mixture into the affected area. Ensure that you cover the entire surface that has been affected. Step 3. Leave for a few hours. Once you've applied the vinegar mixture, let it sit for a few hours. This will enable the vinegar to neutralize the smell. Ensure that you don't leave the solution on the furniture for too long. This is because vinegar can cause discoloration or damage to certain materials. Therefore, it is best to test a small, inconspicuous area first. This way, you can confirm that it's safe for your furniture. The exact amount of time to leave the solution depends on two factors: the severity of the smell and the type of furniture. The general recommendation is a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. For very strong smells, you may leave the solution on for up to 8 hours. Step 4. Wipe down the furniture. After a few hours, take a damp clean cloth and wipe down the furniture. Make sure to remove all the vinegar mixture. Step 5. Repeat if necessary. If the smell persists, repeat the process for as many cycles as needed. Lemon juice method. Here are the steps for this method. Step 1. Squeeze lemon juice over the furniture. First, ensure that there is no debris on your furniture. Then, take a lemon and squeeze the juice over the affected area of the furniture. Ensure that you cover the entire area. Step 2. Leave for a few hours. Once you've squeezed the lemon juice over the furniture, let it sit for a few hours. A minimum of 2 to 3 hours. If the smell is severe, a maximum of 8 hours. While the juice sits, it will neutralize the cigarette smoke odor. Step 3. Wipe down the furniture. Use a damp clean cloth for this step. Ensure that you remove all of the lemon juice. Step 4. Repeat if necessary. You can run multiple cycles of this process until the smell is gone. Essential oils method. These are the steps to take. Step 1. Take a clean spray bottle and fill it with water. Then, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil or a blend of essential oils. Some popular options include lemon, lavender, eucalyptus, and tea tree. The amount of essential oil you'll need depends on the affected area's size. Another crucial determinant is the strength of the essential oil you're using. Step 2. Spray the mixture over the furniture. After creating the mixture, spray it over the affected area. Make sure to cover the entire surface that has been affected. Step 3. Leave for a few hours. Once you've sprayed the mixture, let it sit for a few hours, 2 to 3 hours. This will give the essential oils time to neutralize the smell. The oils will also add a fresh scent to the furniture. Step 4. Wipe down the furniture. Get a damp clean cloth and wipe down thoroughly to remove all of the essential oil mixture. Step 5. Repeat the process. Repeat is necessary if the smell lingers after using the essential oil. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.